is a myth born out of the shadows. A mysterious figure appeared to train those willing in the ancient art of Card-Jitsu. This journey requires patience, practice, power, and hot sauce. Lots of hot sauce. For those who defeat Sensei and become ninjas, things are heating up. A new challenge has presented itself. Are you ready to master the element of fire?
Let it rain. Come on.
So they had them apple bottom jean boots with the fur.